When it comes to securing your home, few elements are as critical as your doors. In Dallas, where the combination of bustling neighborhoods and serene suburbs creates a unique environment, proper door installation is a crucial step in ensuring your family's safety. By prioritizing secure doors, you protect your loved ones, enhance your property value, and contribute to peace of mind. Wide doors are the first line of defense. Doors serve as the gateway to your home, and their quality significantly impacts your security. Poorly installed or substandard doors can become easy targets for intruders. A well-installed door not only looks polished but also acts as a robust barrier against unauthorized access. In Dallas, where homes vary from historic structures to contemporary builds, each type of property has specific requirements for door installation. From ensuring a snug fit in older, shifting frames to installing modern smart locks in newer properties, professional installation caters to your home's unique needs. The importance of professional door installation. While DIY projects can be fun, door installation isn't the time to experiment. Properly installing a door involves much more than just fitting it into a frame. It requires attention to detail, precision, and knowledge of security standards. Correct alignment. Misaligned doors can lead to gaps that compromise insulation and security. Professionals ensure your door aligns perfectly with its frame, eliminating vulnerabilities. Enhanced locking mechanisms. Modern doors often come with advanced locking systems. Professional installers ensure these mechanisms function seamlessly, providing optimal security. Weatherproofing. Dallas experiences a range of weather conditions, from blazing summers to occasional storms. A professionally installed door keeps out drafts, water, and other elements, ensuring your home remains energy efficient and comfortable. Top features of secure doors. When enhancing your home's security, consider these features in your doors. Solid core materials. Invest in doors made of solid wood, steel, or fiberglass. These materials are not only durable but also resistant to forced entry. Reinforced frames. Even the strongest door is vulnerable without a sturdy frame. Reinforced frames prevent doors from being kicked in or pried open. High-quality locks. Deadbolts, smart locks, and multi-point locking systems significantly boost security. Modern locks can even integrate with home automation systems, allowing you to monitor and control your doors remotely. Peepholes and glass panels. For added security, opt for peepholes or glass panels with reinforced or shatterproof glass to ensure visibility without compromising safety. Weather stripping. A tightly sealed door not only keeps intruders out but also protects against Dallas's variable weather. How to choose the right door for your Dallas home. Your home's location and style play a significant role in choosing the right door. For instance, urban areas. In busy Dallas neighborhoods, consider steel doors with advanced locking systems to deter potential intruders. Suburban settings. If your home is in a quieter area, a fiberglass or wood door with added security features can balance aesthetics and safety. Historic homes. Custom doors designed to fit older frames can preserve the character of your home while providing modern security benefits. Additionally, consider doors with thermal insulation to help reduce energy costs, a significant factor in Dallas's climate. The role of door installation in insurance benefits. Proper door installation can also positively impact your home insurance premiums. Many insurers offer discounts for homes with robust security measures. A professionally installed door, equipped with certified locks and reinforced frames, demonstrates your commitment to safety, potentially saving you money in the long run. Trusted professionals make the difference. In Dallas, finding a trusted professional for door installation is key. Look for installers with local expertise, familiarity with Dallas's unique architectural styles and weather conditions, certified skills. Accreditation from recognized organizations ensures quality workmanship. Positive reviews. Check testimonials and ratings to gauge customer satisfaction. Final thoughts. Secure your peace of mind. Enhancing your Dallas home's security with proper door installation is a smart investment. It's about more than just aesthetics, it's about protecting what matters most. A secure door provides a strong first line of defense, increases your home's energy efficiency, and may even reduce insurance costs. Don't wait until it's too late. Whether you're upgrading your current doors or installing new ones, entrust the job to professionals who prioritize security, quality, and customer satisfaction. With the right doors in place, you can enjoy the comfort of your Dallas home, knowing it's as secure as possible.